Hi guys, Joe here from Ultraframe Windows and Doors in Matraville. I want to talk you through our smart slide. There are different sliding options on the market. Only Aliplast do the smart slide. The smart slide is a superior sliding door system. How the smart slide works is when you slide the door into its closed position, the actual door completely goes into the gaskets. When you turn the handle, the whole sash goes in. All the multi-point locks engage. When you free the handle, all the multi-point locks come away and the actual sash comes away from the frame, and then it slides along very freely. Heavy duty rollers, double gaskets, maximum compression off the handle, really good door for noise reduction and thermal values. As I said, a superior slider compared to pretty much everything else on the market. Thank you very much.